Hello, this is Space Daily News. The European Space Agency and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency mission BepiColombo has made its second gravity assist of planet Mercury, capturing new close-up images as it steers closer towards Mercury orbit in 2025. The closest approach took place on 23rd of June 2022, about 200 kilometers above the planet's surface. Images from the spacecraft's 3 monitoring cameras, along with scientific data from a number of instruments, were collected during the encounter. These images provide a black and white snapshots in 1024 by 1024 pixel resolution. Because BepiColombo's closest approach was one on the planet's nightside, the first images in which Mercury is illuminated were taken at around 5 minutes after close approach, at a distance of about 800 kilometers. As BepiColombo flew from the night side to day side, the sun seemingly rose over the cratered surface of the planet, casting shadows along the boundary between night and day. You could see Hini crater there, which is 125-kilometer wide crater covered in smooth volcanic plains, and the 1550-kilometer wide Caloris basin, with its highly reflective lavas on its floor making it stand out against the darker background. The volcanic lavas in and around Caloris basin are thought to postdate the formation of the basin itself by 100 million years or so, and measuring and understanding the compositional difference between these is an important goal for BepiColombo. BepiColombo's main science mission will begin in early 2026. It's making use of 9 planetary flybys in total, 1 at Earth, 2 at Venus and 6 at Mercury, together with the spacecraft's solar electric propulsion system to help steer into Mercury orbit. Its next Mercury flyby will take place on 20th of June 2023. Space Daily News with Julia. Stay tuned!